Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a little side note, the thumbnail looks different from its initial colors because halfway through I've decided to change its whole color scheme completely. Originally, what I had in mind was this post-apocalyptic set in a subway train. Before the painting even began, I had a lot of fun with the title. Desolate garden, forsaken beauty, abandoned but not forgotten. Halfway through the painting, I had half a mind to abandon and forsake this piece. I've realized that every time I paint something I really like, which in this case would be the last bokeh piece, I always hit an artist rut before I gain my footing again. However, I've made a mental note not to fall trapped into whining about every voiceover, so I'm just gonna keep the rants short. This piece took a lot of masking tape to make the clean lines happen. Despite my dissatisfaction with the final piece, I'm glad I've learned a few new things while painting this, especially on how to create clean lines with a paling knife. In the first half of this video, I thought of going on a more surreal direction, hence the more whimsical colours, but I just didn't click and I felt it was cartoonish, so I decided to mute the colours in the second half by painting over it. In my vision, it was a decaying train overflowing with wildflowers and just two odd fishes in the middle as a hint of life, but it was hard to execute the flowers without looking too messy. Conceptually, I like it. Actual product could be 1,000 times better. Regardless, I'm glad this is done and over with, and ironically, while regretting the painting halfway through, I kept thinking of the next thing to paint and I actually found inspiration in the midst of my rut. So I'm actually looking forward for my next diptych piece. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.